Hello, for this video we're going to talk about the timesheets and how to query time for multiple employees at one time, including how to print timesheets if the workflow for your particular payroll operations is better that you print the timesheets. So to access timesheets, we're going to go to the human resources, and we have these three here, and you're just going to click on timesheets as opposed to timesheet singular, which is accessed through the human resources on that particular employee's HR file. So timesheets is where we access for all the employees at one time. And by default, you're going to see the current week's time and the hours that are clocked for the current week. And this allows you to easily maybe check for overtime or the opportunity for an employee to bust overtime. Maybe on Thursday, you might check and just take a quick look at all the employees and where they stand for the week. Now, you can simply print the timesheets by either clicking individually next to the employee name, or you can just click all and you're going to print the timesheet. And what this does is it prints the timesheet for each individual employee on a single sheet of paper, and that allows you to make notes on that piece of paper. Of course, if you have more than one day, you're going to see all the days on there. This is only for Monday of this particular week for this business. So that is what the print feature is about. And then of course we have the edit time. So if you wanted to select a time period other than that particular week, we're going to go for this week here, and we can see all the times for that week. And then if you wanted to edit the time, you're simply going to click edit time, and you're going to see the individual clock ins, each day, and what time was clocked in, what time was clocked out. And in this particular case, for instance, I clocked in here as a demo purpose, and I'm just going to demonstrate how to change the time. So I clocked in at 3:53 and 19 seconds in the PM, and I'm going to just clock this out at, say, 3:55. So we're going to backspace 3, and we're just going to go 55. And I'm going to leave all that the same. Now, as soon as you tab here, you're going to notice this number changes. It's going to go down quite a bit to 0.03, and that is in decimals, not in minutes. So that's important to know as well. If you put in a break, then it's going to subtract further from that number. And that is how you edit the times for individual days. So I didn't really work this day. I was just for demo purposes, and I had forgotten to clock out. So it clocked me out at 11:59 automatically. And that's what that was about. And that will adjust this time up here automatically as well. In order to send timesheets, I'm going to go ahead and click out of this, and we're going to send the timesheet. And now we have this here. We can add a bonus number in here. So if there's a particular bonus that you need to send to the payroll person at your particular company, then you just put that number in there, and you're going to enter the email. And we can send this, and it'll come as a CSV file, which is basically an Excel spreadsheet type of file. And that timesheet has been sent, and that will come to that email. So depending on the workflow for your particular business and how you send payroll, this is basically the basic functionality of the timesheets area. This area is going to be changing relatively soon. So if you're seeing this version, just know that it's going to change. We're going to have a lot more categories for time here, the types of time, and in addition, we're going to have the system automatically calculate overtime based on the amount of time in a given week over 40 hours. So that is on the way, and if you have any questions, just reach out to us via the help button here at the bottom of the screen. Take care.